Children, today we are starting with exercise 9.2. Yesterday we completed 9.1. The question is total number of, first thing we have to start, we are starting with now how to draw a pictograph, which we are already very much familiar with. Okay, now, we are starting here how to draw a pictograph. We will discuss more things about it. So I am reading the first question for you all. Total number of animals in 5 villages are given. That is village A, B, C, D and E. We have to prepare a pictograph for these animals using one symbol. Symbol is already given. This one. Okay. To represent 10 animals. That means the scale is already given. Scale. This diagram, this one. Here you can write like this. One symbol is equal to how many animals? 10 animals. It is already given in the book. Okay. So we are starting in copy. This you have to do in the copy. So now we have to prepare a pictograph. So we all know pictograph is of 2 columns. First column is informative about the data which is given, and the second column is about how much is that particular data. Okay, how many in number. So the first one is villages, and here you can write animals, or you can write number of animals also, children. Both are correct. Oh, I will be needing this book. So now village, that is A, B, C, D and E. So the first village, A. Village A, children. This is your line. If you want, you can draw the line like this also. I have drawn. Village A. Village A has 80. So 80 divided by the scale. Here is the scale. 80 divided by 10 will give you 8. That means how many symbols you will be drawing here? 8 symbols. Similarly, village B is 120. Village C is 90. Village D is 40. Village E is 60. Now we are going to divide all these numbers with the scale. What is the scale? 10. We have done this before, na? This, children, doing this we can do directly also, no problem. But this helps us in doing the sum in accuracy. Means there will be no chance of creating any mistake. So this is 12. 9, 4, 6. So the first one is 8. So we are going to draw 8 symbols like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 4. Then 6. Okay, so this is your pictograph. Now you have to answer certain questions about it, children. number of animals. Which village? Village B. Which village has more animals? Village A or village C? Village A or village C? Village C. This completes the first one. Now we are going to start the second one. Question number 2. Total number of students of a school in different years is shown in the following table. You can see the years is given 1996, 98, 2000, 2002 and 2004. So number of students in a school. Prepare a pictograph of students using one symbol and to represent the students. One symbol is representing 100 students. Okay, and you have to answer the following question also. So let's start. First thing children, we write the scale, then we start the pictograph. So I am writing the scale here and below this we will start the pictograph. One symbol represents how many children? 100. I can't need the book here. This question is too bad. This question. So here years and here number of students. 1996, 1998, 2000, 2002 and 2004. Numbers also 400, 535, 472, 600 and 623. Now children, we have to divide it by 100. Okay, the number of students given in the scale, that is divided by 100, divided by 100, divided by 100, divided by 100, and here also divided by 100. So here when you divide it by 100, this is what? 4. Here when you divide it by 100, it is 5 and plus 35 also is left, correct? So 35 by This is incomplete. Here also 6 complete. And here 6 and 1 incomplete. Here, Adha, that is incomplete. Okay. Now, we have to answer certain questions. How many symbols represent the total number of students in 2002? How many symbols? 6. Okay, so we are going to write 6. It is A. Yes. This is also A, children. Huh? There is A and B. In question number 2, we have A and B. So, A is how many? 6. And B, how many symbols represent total number of students for the year 1998? Where is 1998 here? How many symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 complete and 1 incomplete. So we are going to write that only. 5 complete and 1 incomplete. Okay, so this completes the A part, B part. Prepare another pictograph of student using any other symbol. Means instead of using this symbol, use any other symbol. Okay, and representing 50 students. Means one symbol will represent 50 students. So let's do it. So now we are starting B. This is B part. One symbol. What symbol should we take now? Let's take a circle. Okay, and it is representing 50. So now, instead of dividing by 100, here we are going to divide by 50. Okay. So, children, you cannot erase and do. You have to do it once again. So, by the time I am erasing this, you draw the figure. Don't draw the symbols. Symbols we are going to change. So now we are going to draw the circles instead of we are dividing by 50. Why I am using this? We don't know now. We don't need this. Already numbers are written. When you divide by 50, 8. When you divide by 50, 5 tens are 50. No. Tens are 50 plus 35 will be left over. 35 by 50. More than half. 472. Nines are 45. 22 by 22 will be left. 1 incomplete. Here we will draw 12 complete. Here we will draw 12 complete and 1 incomplete. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1 incomplete. And that too more than half. Why? Because 35 is more than half of 50. Then 472, for that 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here 12 complete and 1 incomplete. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1 incomplete. Okay? So this is how we will finish. Are there any question and answers? 9.2. Which pictograph do you find more informative? So which pictograph is more informative, children? I believe this pictograph is more informative because easily we can understand that here what can be the number of students in a particular year. Okay. So answer will be second. Is there any AV? No. So second. Pictograph is more informative. This completes the exercise 9.2. Next topic is about the bar graph, children, which we are going to continue tomorrow. Tomorrow is our Zoom class. Now tomorrow Thursday we are having the Zoom class. So children, you can sit with the bar graph if you want. If you don't have a bar graph, no need. It's okay. You can do in your normal maths copy also. Okay. If you can go and buy, you please do so. Otherwise, no need.